It's strange, isn't it? How one person can walk into your life and change everything. Before them, the world felt a bit gray, maybe even lonely. But then they appeared, and suddenly everything seemed brighter, more beautiful, more alive. This person came into your life, and it was like the sun finally broke through the clouds. They didn't just bring joy, they brought hope. They made you see the world in ways you never had before. It's odd how one person's presence can make everything feel lighter, like the weight you were carrying suddenly isn't so heavy. They showed you the beauty in the small things, the moments you used to overlook. They made you believe in love again, in happiness, and in a brighter tomorrow. One person, just one, can change your whole world. Their smile, their laughter, their kindness, it transforms everything and makes you feel more alive than ever before.